But if you close your eyes,
well, hello everyone, and thank you guys for watching. What I got here is my Lepy LP 2024A amplifier. I got this amp mid 2016 from Amazon. It's Chinese amplifier. It cost me like 30 bucks. When I ordered it, they gave me the option to buy the pair, the amp and those Dayton audio speakers for 80 bucks. So I went ahead and got them. The amp seemed to have worked fine for a bit, but the problem is this, where the speaker goes in. Since like started beginning of last year, all these little pins where you push to put in the speaker wire in here, it was holding by a spring, and the spring kept breaking off and the pins kept coming off, and there was no way to put the speaker back in there, the speaker wire back in there. So I went ahead and ordered a replacement from Amazon, from eBay. But the problem is this one was like that, and this one soldered directly to the board on the amp. So what I did is I cut little pieces of wire and put them in the amp where this used to go. I put the little pieces of wire in there, and now I'm connecting the wires over here, and I gotta solder them in so they could stay. And that's gonna be my fix. Also, this one, it was completely flat. This one had this little, see those little circle nuts in there to hold it in place, so I had to break them off and use them to attach this to the board. So I plugged in the soldering. It's already getting preheated. Just gonna wait until it's done heating so I can continue the repair mod of this Lepy amplifier. Alright, so the solder is nice and warm now, and hot actually. I'm gonna need both hands, so I'm not gonna be able to hold my camera, but I'm just gonna show you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna attach these wires to this with solder so they can stay. They already attached to the board, and then I'm gonna plug everything back and see how it works. Okay, so there it is. Not the prettiest soldering job because I'm a noob and I don't have flux. If I would have had liquid flux, I would have just put a little bit on each one of those terminals. It would have been a hell lot of easier. Of course, after the fact, I ordered a little bottle of flux from eBay and some desoldering wick. But that should do it for now. Now let's just put this together and test it out. I'll be back. Alright, so it's all back together. Let me get a speaker and plug it in and see if it goes all into a beautiful cloud of smoke, or it will work. Let's find out. Okay, the cable is really short. I got my auxiliary cable connected to the speaker, plug into the wall. Now I'm just gonna connect my phone and turn it on. Will we see a nice white cloud of smoke, or will we get sound? Let's find out. Let me see how can I put the camera so you can see. Alright, so camera kind of secure. Let's see. Let me launch a radio station. And power. Oh, turn the volume down so I won't blow my speaker. Power. We got power. Huh? got music. Let's go to the other channel. Turn it off first. Alright. So we got, that means it worked. It didn't go out in a big cloud of smoke. Turn this off. Let's look for something. Let's look for something with that is not gonna flag me on YouTube right away. Off. On. That's a success. So that's my Lepy amplifier. It will be a repair and mod of the speaker connector. I will put in the description the link for eBay, although I'm pretty sure you guys can figure it out. But yep, now this is gonna be going to my nephew. I said that I was gonna give it to him as a present. So thank you guys for watching.